Take fast hold of introduction, let her not go, keep her, for she is the life. Amen. She shall give to the head a garland of grace, a crown of glory will she bestow upon thee. Hear, my son, and receive my sayings, and the years of the life shall be multiplied. I will teach thee in the way of wisdom. I will lead thee in the paths of uprightness. Amen.